Mark maker, in our opinion, are pioneers as far as the manufacturing of machines dedicated for effervescent industry. Now, I can proudly say that Scitech exists because of Mark maker. Now, contribution of Mark maker basically to Scitech and entire effervescent industry is from the point of view, they developed the first tube filling machine, starting from pure semi-automatic machine to fully automatic effervescent tube filling machine is the biggest contribution what Mark maker is having to the effervescent industry. Their second biggest contribution is the development of an equipment which is called a GDB Tech equipment. It is granulation, drying and blending for effervescent product as a single pan unit. Now such equipments are available for non-effervescent product. But Mr. Vinayak and his team took a challenge to develop it for effervescent. Scitech's association with Mark maker for effervescent is right from the day one when we started, and they developed the machines. So not only they developed the machines as far as the effervescent products are concerned, but even non-effervescent products. In our Kosovo plant also, Mark maker equipments are running, and these equipments are satisfactorily running for more than 8 years now. So the basic contribution of Mark maker, and that too of Mr. Vinayak and his team as the first generation of entrepreneur, is immense to the Indian pharma and world over effervescent industry is concerned. That's my experience as far as the Mark maker and their contribution to effervescent industry is concerned. The major challenge for effervescent was tube filling machine. Now till then tube filling machines were imported. They developed the first indigenous tube filling machine. Yes, it was I will call it as a difficult journey, and being associated with them right from day one, I must say we troubled them. We troubled them from the point of view of asking them to keep on improving, asking them to keep on improvising or whatever will be our requirement. I must say they worked tirelessly to ensure that whatever is our requirement, they will meet the requirement. This is one part as far as one equipment is concerned. Now GDB Tech was totally a new concept for us also and for them also. They researched onto it, they worked it out, and parallel similar type of, I won't use the word same, they did not copy it. They improvised it, they innovated it. That equipment in world market costs over 2 crore rupees, and they brought it to, or they developed it in India at less than the 50% price. That is another contribution. Amazing, they started working and then didn't give up. Because in any new development, giving up it is very easy, but they did not give up. That's their contribution. Mark maker, the only thing which I will say as to this will go back to maybe 12-13 years back, that I expect that Indian equipments, whenever somebody is talking about, people talk about first their quality. Second, they talk about lot of improvements are required even after installation or even prior to installation. So they have to get into equipment which is plug and play, as it is called as. The equipment should start working in the first attempt itself without being required to work on it, or to even installation should be smooth. Anybody should be able to do that. That's the only thing which I will tell them, and wish every success in future. As far as Mark maker is concerned, we are and we will always be with Mark maker.